Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in State of Survival game on your smartphone. To log into State of Survival, first of all, open up the State of Survival app on your mobile device and then from the first homepage, after the game loads, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the Chief Profile section, tap on the Settings button at the bottom. Inside Settings, select Account. Click on Bind Account on the next page. There you will be able to see multiple accounts that you can bind or log in with. You can log in with Google, Facebook, VK, Apple ID, etc. Choose any one account to bind your game with. I'm gonna select the Google Sign In Bind option. Now click the Continue button and sign in using your Google account's credential or any other credential of the account that you've chosen. After you do that, you will then be able to log in to your State of Survival account. And that's how it's easily done. Now once you're signed in or once you've binded with your game account, your game progress will be saved securely online. You can now play your games in multiple devices using the same account. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.